Hello everybody, and it's me, Jana, your local real estate expert in South Florida. And behind me, it's my newest listing in the heart of Wellington. The location is fantastic, all A-rated schools, close to the equestrian venues, parks, restaurants, shopping, and it's non-HOA. This community has a little park for the kids to play, parents get together and relax as well. So like I said, the fantastic location. This house boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a pool, and a fenced-in backyard. Perfect for little kids, if you have any pets, or even for your own privacy. The house got a split floor plan. The master bedroom has 2 closets, so nobody has to argue who's getting which closet. You have plenty of storage space. And it's got split floor bedroom plan, like I said, and granite countertops, stainless steel appliances that's just 1 year old, and a metal roof that you don't have to worry about. So if you have any questions regarding this listing, please do let me know.